Hi all, in this video tutorial I'm gonna discuss about RESTful API in PHP. REST stands for Representational State Transfer. In REST we generally get JSON data, JSON encode. By this we are passing JSON data. API stands for Application Programming Interface. It is a set of rules that allows one piece of software application to communicate to another. In web-based application, the URL that will be connected to the another server, that is API. REST concepts are referred to as resources. A representation of a resource must be stateless. By REST architecture, we will make API. And what returns this RESTful API? It's generally JSON data. Now I will show you in code how we will declare and how we will get data. In server.php, I declare a class server and its method is serve. We are passing request method. From client side we are passing method type get, post, delete, put. So when method get, we call the get method. When post, then post method, put method, delete method. This is get. Get is generally search data. Post for update for more secure. Put update. Delete for deleting data. But you can use anything you like. Here we make an instance of the server class and we call serve method. So in client side what is happening? Method type get, URL, the API I set, passing data. Now I will execute. Load 1. What is the method? Get method. Copy. Post. Get post method. When we will pass post, then we will get execution in post method.